Hey folks, here at OS Reviews. You're watching our video first look and a quick review of the Choetech USB-C wireless QI charging pad, and it sells on Amazon for sub $30. Now, it's not anything too terribly exciting, but there's two reasons why the T811CS is a little bit unique. The first, it uses USB Type-C, the reversible plug that is becoming the standard for phones and tablets, as opposed to the more traditional micro USB that we find on the majority, 99% of these type of charging pads and accessories you find on the market. So this is rare. What it plugs into means that if you have a Type-C phone already, you can just take one cable with you when you're traveling. If you also want to take this along with you, you don't have to worry about multiple cables. Secondly, the Type-C technically supports a slightly faster rate of charging, so it claims to charge your phone up to 30% faster, which is quite impressive. It's going to work with any tablet or phone that supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 2.0 or 3.0 technology on board. And there's actually two versions as well. The first that you see here is a slightly faster version, conversion for efficiency up to 72%, which is the current maximum for this type of technology. And the second, which also uses Type-C, but it's a slightly smaller mat. It retails for a few dollars less, and it doesn't offer as quick as a transmission speed. But otherwise, everything else is the same. It's pretty standard. You can pop on any phone if you want to have an adapter. If your phone doesn't have Qi wireless charging built in, you can purchase adapters for the iPhone and for Android devices. They're available on the market, and that will make it compatible with wireless chargers like this. Inside there is an instruction guide and a quick thank you card that comes pre-included. We'll take a closer look at the design of the charging mat in a second. You can see that bundled here is a Type-C cable with a pretty reasonable length, so it works even if you have it plugged into the wall. So here's what the cable is like. It's pretty typical. It can also be used to sync information and data with a traditional phone or tablet if you have, again, a newer generation device that features Type-C, such as, let's say the Google Nexus Pixel. So here we have the port, which you can see here just plugs into the back, and again, it's fully reversible, so it doesn't matter which side you plug it in, it will still work and charge. The back of the unit features 4 rubber feet that prevents it from sliding around on a surface or a desk. It is very slim, so it makes it pretty compatible and easy to take with you. Here's another charger I have laying around. You can see kind of a size comparison that indeed this is still very portable. The front features access to an LED light which will illuminate once it's being turned on and used. It's going to turn green to indicate that power is flowing through. This is plugged in right now. There's rubber feet on the very top of the mat as well that prevents the phone from sliding around or getting scratched, even damaged when you do have it being charged. And what happens is you simply put the phone on the very top of the mat and kind of align it depending on where the position of the Qi receiver is in your phone, if it's integrated, and you'll see a blue LED start to flash, and that means the charging has started automatically. If you take it off, you see that the charging will stop. It is a pretty quick charger since it does support Qualcomm's Quick Charge technology, so it is faster than your typical wireless Qi-based charger. And one of our original concerns with this type of technology is that a lot of times, it would take longer to completely charge your phone. But with this updated version using USB Type-C as well, it does get a lot faster, and fully charging up an Android device takes under 2 hours to complete now, which is very fast and swift compared to over 3 hours in our original benchmarks with the first generation of wireless Qi chargers. So it has increased quite a bit, especially with this model you see here, and it works also with tablets and larger devices as well, although that will take a bit longer to completely charge up. It's a smart charger in the sense it's not going to overheat or overcharge your product when you're on the go, and you can also just plug this into even a laptop or a USB port on the wall, and that will also start providing power, and you can then charge your device with. So it's pretty easy to get set up and to use. Afterwards, you simply again take your phone off to start the charging, and there's only one placement, so it's not a giant mat. You can only charge one device at a time, if that's any limitation. But other than that, I would say this is a very refined product in the sense that it works exactly as advertised. It's not the most stylish charging mat we've seen. We've checked out previous ones which glowed in the dark, offered some interesting LED light patterns, but this one is just a traditional charging mat basically, but it does have the most impressive charging rate and performance. So if you're after that, definitely check this out. And it uses, of course, that latest generation USB Type-C plug, which is definitely going to be a good thing moving forwards as more and more devices picks up this type of receiver technology. So thanks for watching this video here at OS Reviews. This has been our quick video review and demo of the Choetech USB Type-C fast wireless Qi charging mat.